What is up? We are back. We are back at Silver Lake Sands Dune. If I can say that right, Silver Lake. I'm so excited. Silver Lake Sand Dunes behind me, and we got some lovely guests here. So you guys have not seen my wife yet. I am married. Okay, I'm not just with Brian. Okay. All right. So yeah, they back there laughing, but here we go. Say hello.
Hi.
Where you going?
I was trying to make sure they knew she was your wife.
That's all right. Say your name.
I'm Candace Thompson.
And this is her friend
Dina.
They came ready. They are geared out. Look at this. Black, all black, and then we got the purple and pink with the shoes to match. Ooh, they ready. So guys, we're about to get going here. So little updates on the vehicle. We got some sand paddles, some SX 360s on the front, and we got the GMZ sand strippers on the back. Machine ready, looking good. Y'all ready to ride? First timers?
We are so ready.
They ready. They excited. It's been taking a while, but we gonna get here. So, all right, let's go. What's up, everybody? What's up? We are here. We are in the exact spot we were last time. So we lined up. This is where we home now. So we got some new faces here. We already saw the wife and the friend. What's up, guys?
What's up?
Hey. All right, we about to go up Test Hill. First time. Y'all nervous?
No, I don't think I am.
A little bit. What about you? You nervous?
Nope. It's ready to rip.
You nervous, bud?
Nope.
All right, y'all. Let's go. We're gonna take y'all up some like baby hills first. Get you ready. bouncy at the bottom, and then we're gonna go straight up. We just switched it up. She about to see what the front feel like. You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready back there?
Yes.
All right, let's roll. Oh, I'm over here messing the whole camera up. Y'all good?
Yep, let's roll.
Let's go. Switch up. She wanted to see Nick. I gotta think of a nickname for you. Wild Nick. Wild Nick. So yeah, you feeling good? You gonna ride with Nick and see what it's like? Say again?
I'm gonna have the time of my life.
She gonna have the time of her life if y'all couldn't hear her. So, all right, you good?
Yep. Ready to roll.
All right. Bring her back in one piece. No, I'm just kidding. about to take my machine. It's like, no. All right, so this guy's about to take a little taste of the Can-Am life. He ready?
My razor up for sale. I don't know.
He about to put his razor. He said after this he going straight to the Can-Am dealer. So we got the Evo Shocker exhaust. Rev it up a little bit. Woo! We got our Stage 3 tune on there. We are ready to rip. So go ahead. Let's go. Oh, he gonna do it from big dig. Go ahead, buddy.
What y'all doing?
We are about to test out Polaris Razor Turbo S. This is long awaited. I've never driven one. After watching Nick drive, it made me want to drive one. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, this is way too tight. So let's go. We about to rip it.
You went 2-wheel? I was doing 4-wheel all day, so. Okay, it's a 4-wheel. Oh, okay, instant hook. All right.
right, ladies, how was y'all first time?
Amazing. It was, my heart was jumping, throbbing, seeing, who was it, Nick? And everyone like,
Nick.
hydroplane, Zach.
She had to ride with Nick, and she said, "Whoa, I saw the bottom of this car."
Yes. So I would do it again with you.
Definitely. I literally had the time of my life. And yes, the ride with Nick was wild, but
Nick, wild Nick's rides.
but it was
We gonna have to
amazing.
start
I
up.
will be back. I have multiple shirts and shoes.
Woo,
I
she
have
got
my,
swag.
My hiking
Look at that,
shoes
the
now.
matching
Yes.
boots.
And so I'm ready for the next adventure. Excited to be a part of Adventure All Terrain.
Hey, all right, guys. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, it's been a long day. As you see, it's dark, sunset. You can move it around. See y'all, this is our crew. We're rolling deep. We got the 3 ladies with us. Rolling deep. So if you guys have not checked this place out, check it out. And another quick tip. So they got, what is it called? Dune, what is it called? Wild Bill's ATV rentals.
Oh yeah.
So that is gone now. And now they're at Silverback Off-Road. They're renting dune buggies. So if you guys are interested, come out here, bring your family, bring your wives, bring your girlfriends, whatever. It's a good time. So you guys remember, your next venture is just one step away. Let's go.